This video is the solution of exercise 1B limits from R. Agarwal book, question number 25 and 26. Let's start question number 25. Question number 25 is limit of x is 0, 1 minus cos mx by 1 minus cos nx. Limit of x is 0. Again, from the half angle formula, we can write 1 minus cos mx is equal to 2 sine square m by 2x. So 2 sine square m by 2x, and 1 minus cos nx, we can write this 2 sine square n by 2x. And here we will write 2 sine square n by 2x. So limit of x is 0. This 2 cancel. Again, to convert in formula sine x by x, limit of x is 0 is equal to 1. So we will do sine square m by 2x divided by m by 2x whole square. Why? Because this sign is in square. So we will multiply with same m by 2x whole square by sine square n by 2x by n by 2x whole square, n by 2x whole square. Now limit of x is 0, sine m by 2x, m by 2x whole square. We can write like this because this is also in square and this is also in square, so we will write in whole square. Now this one is m square by 4x square into m square by 4x square sine n by 2x by n by 2x. Again, this is whole square into n square by 4x square. So this x square by 4, we will cancel this, and this m square and n square we will write outside from limit because there is no x. Now when limit of x is 0, then limit of m by 2x is also 0. So we will write this limit of mx by 2 is 0 sine m by 2x by m by 2x whole square. Again, when limit of x is 0, the limit of n by 2x is also 0. So we will write limit of n by 2x is 0 sine n by 2x, n by 2x whole square. Why we did this? Because to convert in this formula. Now we can write that 1. We can write this as 1 and this as 1. So this m square by n square into 1 by 1 is equal to m square by n square. This is question number 25. Now see question number 26. question number 26 is limit of x is 0 to sine x minus sine 2x by x cube. Limit of x is 0 to sine x minus 2 sine x into cos x by x cube. By using double angle formula, we can write sine 2x equal to 2 sine x into cos x. So limit of x is 0. Now we can see this sine x and sine x is common. Take out the sine x, and this 2 is also common, 2. So we will write this 2 also. Now 1 minus cos x by x cube. From half angle formula, we can write 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine square x by 2. So here we will write 2 sine x into 2 sine square x by 2 x cube. Limit of x is 0. Now we know one formula, sine x by x, limit of x is 0, this is equal to 1. So we will convert this into the same formula. For that, sine x by x into x, we will divide and multiply by x. Now first of all, this 4, 2 and 2, 4, we will write this 4 outside. Okay, and this sine square x by 2. So x by 2 whole square into x by 2 whole square, x cube. Limit of x is 0. Now for limit of x is 0, sine x by x is one part. Next part is this one. We can write sine x by 2 whole square, sine x by 2 by x by 2 whole square, and this is x square by 4, x square by 4. And we have one more x, this one. So we will write it here. It's x cube by x cube. This x cube and this x square and x, this is also x cube. Here is 4 and this is 4. Just cancel. Now limit of x is 0, sine x by x into limit of x by 2 is 0. When limit of x is 0, the limit of x by 2 is also 0. Sine x by 2 by x by 2 whole square. So as per the formula, this is also 1 and this is also 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is question number 26. If you like the video, press the like button. Do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Otherwise, you will not get the latest video update. Thank you. Have a nice day.